Hello everyone, welcome to LBS IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss economics MCQs based on previous year UPSC questions. So let's start our session. Our first question is, Global Financial Stability Report is prepared by, options are European Central Bank, International Monetary Fund, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Here answer to this question is option B, International Monetary Fund, IMF. IMF releases the Global Financial Stability Report twice in a year, that is in April and in October. The report provides an assessment of the global financial system and markets and address emerging market financing in a global context. It focuses on current market conditions, highlighting systemic issues that could pose a risk to financial stability and sustained market access by emerging market borrowers. There is a difference between Global Financial Stability Report and Financial Stability Report. While the former is released by IMF, the latter is released by RBI. So her answer to this question is option B. Next is, which of the following is or are the indicator or indicators used by IFPRI to compute the Global Hunger Index report? Options are undernourishment, child stunting, child mortality. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Here answer to this question is option C. All the above are correct. Global Hunger Index is an annual report published every October by Concern Worldwide of Ireland and a German non-profit organization, Wealth Hunger Life. The Hunger Index measures countries' performance on four component indicators, that is undernourishment, child wasting, child stunting and child mortality. The Global Hunger Index aims to track hunger at the world, regional and country levels. JJ ranks countries on a 100-point scale, 0 representing no hunger. So the answer to this question is option C. Next is, Belt and Road Initiative is sometimes mentioned in news in the context of affairs of. Options are African Union, Brazil, European Union and China. Here answer to this question is option D, China. The Belt and Road Initiative, known in Chinese and formerly in English as One Belt One Road, is a global infrastructure development strategy adopted by Chinese government in 2013 to invest in nearly 70 countries and in international organizations. The belt refers to Silk Road Economic Belt, which is a series of overland routes, while the road refers to sea roads, which is also referred to as 21st century maritime Silk Road. The initiative was incorporated into Constitution of China in 2017. The Chinese government calls the initiative a bid to enhance regional connectivity and embrace a brighter future. The project has a target completion date of 2049, which will coincide with the centennial anniversary of People's Republic of China's founding. So her answer to this question is option D. Next is, gold tranche or reserve tranche refers to. Options are a loan system of the World Bank, one of the operations of a central bank, credit system granted by WTO to its members, a credit system granted by IMF to its members. The answer to this question is option D, a credit system granted by IMF to its members. Reserve tranche or gold tranche is the component of the member country's quota with the IMF, that is in the form of gold or foreign currency. For any member country, out of the total quota, 25% should be paid in the form of foreign currency or gold. Hence, this is called as reserve tranche or gold tranche. The remaining 70% can be in domestic currencies and it is called credit tranche. So, her answer to this question is option D. Next is, in India, the term public key infrastructure is used in the context of. Options are digital security infrastructure, food security infrastructure, healthcare and education infrastructure, telecommunication and transportation infrastructure. Here, answer to this question is option A, digital security infrastructure. Public key infrastructure is used to establish and manage public key encryption, one of the most common forms of internet encryption. Public key infrastructure is a technology for authenticating users and devices in the digital world. Under this system, one or more trusted parties digitally sign documents certifying that a particular cryptographic key belongs to a particular user or device. The key can be then used as an identity for the user in digital networks. So, the answer to this question is option A. Next is, consider the following statements. Sensex is based on 50 of the most important stocks available on Bombay Stock Exchange. That is incorrect. For calculating the Sensex, all the stocks are assigned proportional weightage. That is correct. New York Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in the world. That is incorrect. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Here answer to this question is option A. Statement 2 only is correct. India's two main stock exchanges are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Stock index of Bombay Stock Exchange is Sensex and stock index of National Stock Exchange is Nifty. BSE stock index Sensex gives top 30 stock index. NSE stock index Nifty gives top 50 stock index. BSE has more than 5,000 companies listed under it and is one of Asia's oldest stock exchange market. So statement 1 is incorrect. Amsterdam Stock Exchange, now known as Euronext N.V., is the oldest in the world and was established by Dutch East India Company. So statement 3 is incorrect. So your answer to this question is option A. Statement 2 only is correct. Next is consider the following statements. The World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO, is a specialized agency of United Nations system of organizations. That is correct. WIPO has its headquarters at Rome. That is incorrect. The trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, agreements is binding on all WTO members. That is correct. Least developed countries members of WTO are not required to apply the provisions of TRIPS agreements for a period of 20 years from the general date of application of the agreement. That is incorrect. Which of these statements are correct? Here answer to this question is option D. WIPO is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. So statement 2 is incorrect and option D is correct. The World Intellectual Property Organization or WIPO is a UN specialized agency created in 1967 to promote intellectual property protection and encourage creative activity all over the world. WIPO is basically a global forum for IP policy, services, information and cooperation. WIPO is headquartered at Geneva in Switzerland. Trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, that is TRIPS agreement, is an agreement on international IP rights. TRIPS came into force in 1995 as part of the agreement that established the World Trade Organization. TRIPS establishes minimum standards for availability of, scope and use of 7 forms of intellectual property, namely trademarks, copyrights, geographical indications, patents, industrial designs, layout designs for integrated circuits, and undisclosed information or trade secrets. It applies basic international trade principles regarding intellectual property to member states. It is applicable to all WTO members. The TRIPS agreement is also described as Bern and Paris Plus agreement. Next is, which one of the following companies is associated with the exploration and commercial production of oil in Barmer Sancho Basin, Rajasthan? Options are Cairn Energy, Unocal Corporation, Reliance Energy Ventures, Oil and Natural Gas Commission. The answer to this question is option A, Cairn Energy. Cairn Oil and Gas is the largest private sector producer of crude oil in India, currently producing from assets in Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. Mangla field in Rajasthan, discovered in January 2004, was the largest onshore oil discovery in India in 2 decades. Mangla, Bhagyam and Aishwarya fields, the 3 major discoveries in Rajasthan below, cumulatively have hydrocarbons reserves of approximately 2.2 billion barrels of oil equivalent. The Rajasthan block is located in the Barmer district. 38 oil fields present in Barmer Sancho Basin. Recently, the Indian government has refunded 7,900 crore to Capricorn Energy, that is earlier known as Cairn Energy, to settle a long-running retrospective tax dispute. The dispute stemmed from a 2012 amendment to the Income Tax Act that made transactions by non-residents involving the transfer of shares of an overseas company, deriving substantial value from assets in India, taxable on a retrospective basis. Next is consider the following. Currency with the public, demand deposit with banks, time deposit with banks. Which of these are included in broad money in India? The answer to this question is option D. That is, all the above are included in broad money in India. M1 is known as narrow money, as it includes only 100% liquid deposit, which is a very narrow definition of money supply. Narrow money constitutes currency held by the public, demand deposit with banks, other deposits such as demand deposit held by RBI. M2 constitute narrow money plus savings account deposit with post offices. M3 is called broad money, as along with liquid deposit, it also includes time deposit, thus making it a broad classification of money. The most common measures used for money supply is M3. That is, M3 is equal to M1 plus TD. That is, broad money is equal to narrow money plus time deposit, where time deposits with bank includes fixed deposits, recurring deposits, and time liability of savings account.